Hello everyone, my name is Mari Torres coming to you from the Children's Museum Houston. Today we are going to be making a winter-inspired sensory bin to get your little one to explore and learn through their senses. You guys can do this activity together, or you can create it as the adult and then have your little one explore the sensory bin. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm going to put in my sensory bin. Let's begin. For this activity, you will need a bin or a basket or a box, and then several winter-inspired items of various sizes and texture. I am going to be using the materials that I found around my house and in my craft cabinet. And you'll also need some tools so your little one can explore their sensory bin, like a shovel or a magnifying glass. And I also have some binoculars to make it extra fun. So I'm going to go ahead and put my materials in. I'm going to start with some pillow fluff. I'm going to make this the base of my sensory bin so it's nice and full. Then I'm going to add in some cotton balls. And I have some blue pom-poms of different sizes and different shades of blue. Then to add in some different texture, I'm going to throw in the grains of uncooked rice. And I also have some sequins. And make sure when you're using small objects to be cautious around your little one to avoid any choking hazards. Something else that you might want to add would be crinkle or shredded cellophane. And don't be afraid to mix around the items together, or to move things around, or to add more items if you'd like. And then I have some glitter. And I'm also going to throw in some white sprinkles. And to finish off the winter look, I'm going to add in some snowflakes. Don't be afraid to get creative and to add in as many things as you would like. But once you think your box is ready, then that means it's ready. And then you can have your little one explore. Have them take the magnifying glass and look for all the small objects. See how they can find sprinkles or the sequins or even the grains of rice. Have them use the shovels so they can explore to the end of the sensory bin. See what's underneath all the pillow fluff. You can find more grains of rice, more sprinkles. You can also use the binoculars to look at the items from far away. And just have them dig around with their hands, of course with your supervision. Remember, you can use any materials to create your sensory bin, and you can also make them with any theme, so you can make one for every season if you'd like. Now that's all the time we have for today, but I hope you enjoyed making your own winter-inspired sensory bin for your little one. And we hope to see your creations at home, so don't forget to tag and follow us on social media and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Mari Torres, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!